guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, when I get home from work, this month's Birchbox was waiting for me. So I figured I would jump right in and open it up. For those of you who don't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. For $10 a month, you get 5 sample-sized beauty products that fit your beauty profile that you fill out when you sign up. So let's see what's in there today. You get a little card that talks about what's in the box, and the back side of this one says, "Trick or treat. The treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare routine because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs. It's like creating your own personal magic potion." But not really. This chart breaks down different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. Guess that could be useful. I am forever on a quest to figure out what order to put my products on in, because sometimes, even when you know that serums go first, essences, then serums, then moisturizers, oils at the end, sometimes they trip you up. Sometimes there's a little trick before you get to your treat, as it were. So let's see what's inside. I like this box art. It's kind of, it's a little spoopy. It's black and orange. See what we got. I'm going to reach in and pull them out blind and then try to match them with the card. Oh, there is a card in here. Just for subscribers. Getting a free extra box for you when you gift Birchbox. Okay. Sure. Alright, first item in the box is Caviar Anti-Aging Omega Plus Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist. Oh. Girl. Anti-Frizz? You're speaking my language. I am a frizzy beast. Let's see what the card says. Alterna Caviar. I guess the brand name is Alterna. Spray this mist all over damp or dry hair to lend softness and shine. Proven to reduce breakage by 93% and protect from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And control frizz for 8 hours. Okay, this sounds like magic. I'm not trying to lie. Are you magic? Kinda can't wait to try this. I hope it really is magic. I could use a little magic in my hair. The next thing I have is an old favorite, Dr. Jart. Love this brand. Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. This is a new to Birchbox item. It is an ultralight gel moisturizer using Centella RX or Tiger Grass to calm, reduce redness, and soothe irritation. Since I don't happen to be wearing any face makeup today, lucky you, you get to see just how red I am in my natural form. So I should go slather this all over my face is what you're saying. All right, the next item I am pulling out of here is Huxley Secret of the Sahara Scrub Mask. Great things never come from comfort zones, it says. This face mask sloughs off impurities without drying off your skin. Ooh, I like this. You'll feel it warm upon contact to prevent irritation. Apply an even layer, massage and rinse thoroughly. Nice. I wonder what ingredients make it warm. That's fun. Dr. Lip Tint with sweet potato pigment. Oh, cute. High Shine Tinted Lip Balm uses just 4 natural ingredients to make your lips plump and smooth. Organic edible sweet potato pigments give it its flattering pink shade. Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Moonlight. Shimmering and shining with long-lasting crease-free liquid shadow in a metallic taupe purple shade. Moonlight. Love of Color, or L.O.C. Let's see what Moonlight looks like. Oh. It's a little wand. I didn't think it was going to be a doe foot. It surprised me. It was very shimmery. Alright, let's see what you got. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Focus. There we go. You see that? It seems much more pigmented in person than it looked like on the camera. It's very shimmery. I don't know if I'm picking up the purples, but I like it. Last but not least, Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Matte Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. I love this formula. I do not have this shade, but I do have the Bouse Red. I was wearing it yesterday, in fact. So if you follow my Insta stories, you will have seen the Bouse yesterday, because I've been wearing all my reds in October. I like this formula. It is not too drying, and it really does stay. And I am a low maintenance makeup lady. I have the best of intentions, but when it comes to making time to notice, forget time to reapply, time to notice that I need to reapply, that's not me. I mean, I want to be the girl that does, but I'm not. So this Always On matte lippy, it's not too drying, and it really does stay put. So let's see. At least the Bouse did. I wouldn't imagine that different colors will change the formula. Let's see what Stepping Out looks like. Okay. That is much easier to see on the bottom there. That is Stepping Out. Oh, and it looks like the Love of Color is showing up a little brighter too now. That is a pretty color. I like that. Okay, Stepping Out, I see you. Kind of a mauve-y neutral. Doesn't really say. I like it though. So that is everything in this month's Birchbox. What am I most excited? This is a good box. Birchbox doesn't always thrill me this much. I think the idea of a lip potato tinted lip balm is really cool. This Always On matte liquid lipstick is nice. But I think I think what I'm gonna go with as my favorite item is this Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist. I am going probably to use it tomorrow and see how it makes me feel. 8 hours, heat protection, breakage reduction. You got it all, little friend. I wonder what it smells like. Sniff. I'm gonna give it a sniff. Oh, it's really chill. It's like maybe very slightly citrus. Oh, I like it even more now that it's not an overpowering perfume. Some hair products just leave you with an intense perfume. No, this is great. Do you agree? Is this the item that you would be most enthused about? Did you get the same items in your Birchbox if you get Birchbox? What would you have preferred to see come in your box? Answer all these questions and more in the comments down below. Let's start a whole conversation. I would love that. But that's all I've got for now. So until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Birchbox down at the bottom. And don't forget to click the circular icon of my face to subscribe. Thanks for watching!